Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, it is kind of an information stuff. So it is about a website named as GameSnacks. So we are going to talk about this GameSnacks stuff and what is the present new info which they have launched in the market. So the first thing is this GameSnacks is from a company named as Google. So lots of people know. So this GameSnacks main aim, what is their main thing and everything is back history. So in Google, what is the thing is there are different branches in Google cyber security, artificial intelligence, IoT, or they have different departments where each peoples will start working on their goals. So in those same scenario, there is a department named as Area 120 where all the experimental purpose will come into play. So for this, what this Area 120 researchers will do is, first of all, they'll start analyzing the public, the users, and they'll come to a conclusion what is their need, what is something which is left out in the public, or what can be solved in public's perspective. So keeping that thing in mind, they'll come up with some issues, and then the researchers under Area 120 will work on it, and they'll release a website or app. They'll come up with some solution and they'll launch it in public, and before launching they'll keep duration maybe 1 to 2 months for experimental purposes, and then they'll make it as live. So this is what the base idea how Area 120 works. So keeping that thing in mind, 1 to 2 years back, this Area 120 did the research on this public, the users, and they come up with a conclusion a question kind of stuff where lots of people's who has their phones RAM which is very less, or due to some network connectivities in the sense 2G or 3G networks, they are unable to play some kind of games. So in the sense lots of people have this network connectivity issues, and because now we are good with 4G, but still suddenly if a data pack is got completed and if you have to go to 3G or 64 kbs, then we might have think you can't do anything without 4G right now. So that is how the world is going on. But keeping that thing in mind, they thought we have to come up with some solution where all people around the world can play games. So keeping that thing in mind, they come up with a solution named as GameSnacks. So this is how this website evolved. So where in this website you can play, there are lots of games like chess, solitary, others, lots of games are there. So you can choose any game you want and it will start you don't have to download the game or install the game, just you can play on the website itself. It is available on Android, iOS, web browser, all links I'll put. Just put GameSnacks on any browsers you want. The first thing comes, just go in, you'll be getting list of games, no need to sign up, log in, Google accounts, nothing like that. Just open, choose any game you want, and it will get downloaded it will just start loading maybe 5 to 10 seconds, then you can start playing it. And even your network connectivity can be 2G or 3G, you can 100% play the games which is available in this website. So this is what the base idea, what this GameSnacks website and what Area 20 has done till now. So coming to the next thing is in this 1 year, nearly millions of users are using this website. So keeping that thing in mind, Google is planning to increase its base, to increase its users base. So keeping that thing in mind, what the company is planning is they are planning to develop these games by launching in their official apps. In the sense now in India it is available in Google Play, even in Google Play Games, Google Play Store, and so there are some games which is available right there, so you can directly play. Or else what the company is planning is they are planning to launch in India as well. Because if you ask why India, because for Google, India is a huge database where they can get lots of users, and even they are just think they are going to add it in Google Pay. So automatically whenever you're doing some transactions or you feel bored, you can just directly go there and play some games, and even your network is very slow. So keeping that thing in mind, now Google is planning to launch in India as well in some other countries like Indonesia, Nigeria, and so. But keeping the one thing in mind, if they are planning to launch it in India as well, then if anyone any good app developers, game developers, and so, you can also 100% work on some games like this, and you can upload in their GameSnacks website. So this is what the main thing which I want to say here. So for developing the game, what language you have to use. So the language which Google is using in this game stack is basically HTML5. So because of this only, this language only, it is very lightweighted and it doesn't consume lots of RAM also, because HTML5 is very low version like among coding, and it is very easy to learn as well. So in the sense, like if you have no idea about games and if you want to create it, you have some creative ideas, it may be any kind of stuff, you can 100% start learning from scratch from today onwards, and maybe like 1 to 2 days, like 1 to 2 months after, you can 100% create some kind of game, like maybe your idea, or you can come up with some new ideas and you can upload in this GameSnacks. So, and for uploading these games and shows, you will be getting monetized and you'll be get paid depending upon AdSense and shows. So there are different things where Google is planning to do right now. So that is why like I have made this video, and all these things they have released in their official blog. So I'll put that link also, you can 100% check it out. So for the time being, what I'll say is just go through that GameSnack website. You'll get some ideas, you can come up with some new ideas, or if you want, you can create a website like this. If like any web developer or app developer is there, you can create like this for like 3 GB or 4 GB RAM users, where they can have plenty of games in a single place. Like don't go for money. Like if you keep the websites or apps on money, then the users of like the users whom are going to try this will be very less. Whereas if you keep it for free, then you will start getting more. So this is how this full thing works, and this is why I made this video as well, in the sense like, since now Google is planning to launch it in India, where they are going to get a huge base, then lots of people who have good stuffs, who are planning to develop a website, game developer, app developers, you can also compensate with Google, like not to up to a high level, but on a base level, you can 100% give it your shot and you can get some good things. So that is what my suggestion like of this full video. So please do check it out, the video, come up with some new ideas and start making your own games. So that's it. So this is about this like full content about this GameSnacks and their official new post as well. So with this, I'll just end this video. So if you have any doubts related to this, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.